Deer.
Still.
Deer's attractive.
Village, it's so beautiful.
Give me some food. That's typical. Nom 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 nom. Oh, he's coming to join the party. I'm scared then.
Standing forward. Oh, they're beautiful. Look how beautiful they are.
We're not getting a deer for our garden.
Oh.
We've got too many pets anywhere as it is.
Some more. I'm running out of pet food. But we might need one for Father Christmas. We might need 8.
But they need to have horns. Don't they?
No, they've got to look after the mummy one. They've got to look after
Oh, don't run away from me just because of a camera. No animals love camera. What's wrong with them? Maisie doesn't like the camera either. They hate me. They're running away from me. You're very mean, you know that.
I want to lick my hand.
No thanks. I don't want to lick your hand.
Is that all you've got left? No. I just want it off. Hang on a minute.
There is no food. It's a lie.
Let's go down this way.
There's it.
We've got those buckets in the car, haven't we? Yeah, we should have got the buckets. We should have got
Moo.
3. Can we go back to the car and get 3? You. Why can't we go to the car? Can we feed a llama? I don't know. Those calves are cute, aren't they? That's what Nanny used to do. Nanny Pam used to look after calves when she was teenager.
Oh.
She used to feed them. Mummy, why don't you get the bucket? It's really sad because they take their calves away from their mum at 1 day old.
How did you go? Oh,
Farmers
he's
do,
coming
so
up.
there's still loads of milk for us, yeah.
Oh,
So
he's
they end up bottle fed. Hello.
going to eat me.
Baby cows. These are full grown, aren't they? Dexters or something, they?
Are they? Oh, they're cute. Come on, have one of those then.
Yeah. Sure, you've got
Hello, moo cow. Got lots of flies on you, that's good for us. Send it off. Mummy?
Get lost, flies.
No, if you put a bucket, you get 3 reasons, don't you?
Duck.
If you get the bucket, then you get 3 reasons.
This is where our ducks have been hiding.
Can you go back to the car and get the bucket? Yeah, look, it's got horns. Look. We've got little horns growing. Haven't you?
I'm a big boy now.
Look at my horns say. Yeah. Dad.
And it's going to be a duck escape. It's going to be a duck. No, these ducks look strange.
Somebody wants some of your food. Oh, do you want? Oh, yeah, I've been.
I don't know. You know people?
Well, there's something interesting here. Yeah. I don't know why we're at a farm. We just are. There's a donkey over here, I believe. Hey, donkey. 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 Oh, they're using me, aren't they? Sorry. Hello. I'm just eating leaves. That's not funny. I guess goodbye.